technical competence, creativity, rigorous abidance to time frames, capacity to face various kinds of challenges, This is a summary of the qualities that Constructora Andrade Gutierrez has perfected in over half a century of operation in Brazil and dozens of countries around the world. Much more than just a large construction company, Andrade Gutierrez is a hub that generates integrated solutions in engineering, financial structuring, processes, products, and environmental quality for public and private clients that demand technical and operational excellence, as well as leading economic performance. From the formulation of technical and financial alternatives, including logistics, legislation, the incorporation of local labor, and the environment, Constructora Andrade Gutierrez treats each project according to its specific requirements and is an active partner of its clients, strengthening this relationship at each contract and each enterprise. Responsible for executing works that assure around 30% of the installed power capacity, as well as a good part of the transportation infrastructure in Brazil. Constructora Andrade Gutierrez has left its mark of quality throughout all regions of the country. The company was responsible for the implementation and modernization of industrial plants and has contributed to the Brazilian self-sufficiency in oil production with the execution of some of the most important works ever undertaken in the country for the oil and gas industry, and having twice received the Petrobras Quality Award. The technical capability Andrade Gutierrez also includes the construction of large urban sanitation systems, as well as the execution of integrated irrigation projects, an industry for which it developed specific technology and processes. The various facets of our commitment with quality and the environment, in addition to safety and health concerns, were consolidated with the achievement of key certifications that foster the international and external growth of the company to efficiently respond to the requirements of our clients. A modern business corporation with a long-term view cannot afford to ignore a continuing commitment to social responsibility. A proof of this is the certification of the company according to the SA 8000 standard. Other important achievements were the assembly and power piping certifications granted by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers as a result of the construction and erection work performed at the Tubarão thermal power plant boilers and pipework. Currently, Andrade Gutierrez is the only company in Brazil with these certifications. The commitment to excellence, as well as the technical capacity, experience, and credibility earned in Brazil were the competitive advantage that allowed Andrade Gutierrez to open its business internationally, still during the 80s. Since that time, the company has executed contracts in 27 countries in the world, having already worked simultaneously in over 10 countries. With businesses distributed throughout the engineering and construction, telecommunications, and public concessions industries, the Andrade Gutierrez S.A. Holding Company is one of the largest private business groups in Latin America. The AG Group is a controlling shareholder of Telemar, present in 16 Brazilian states, 90 million customers, and is also a controlling shareholder of Contacts, the largest call center company in Brazil, with 52,000 employees, and is the controlling shareholder of Companhia de Concessões Rodoviárias, CCR, the largest in Latin America. Controls the Rio-Niterói Bridge, Nova Dutra, Via Lagos, RodoNorte, Autobahn, and VOST Concessions. Is a shareholder of Light, the largest power distributor in Brazil, present in 31 municipalities in the state of Rio de Janeiro. Is also a shareholder of Sanepar, Companhia de Saneamento do Paraná, and shares in Corporación Quiport, which is implementing the new airport in Quito, Ecuador. The acknowledgement of the efforts of our team and the creation of international education and promotion mechanisms stimulates the full commitment of our professionals to their top performance. Understanding the necessities of the client, as well as developing and applying the most adequate solutions. Here lies the strategic base that has allowed Andrade Gutierrez to achieve a leading position in Brazil and in all countries in which we operate. A position built on a solid base of responsibility, trust, and excellence. This translates internationally within the company as the individual and collective drive to overcome challenges and the momentum to achieve leadership in all areas in which we operate.